In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create lead stages in Freshsales. To begin, you will first need to log in to your Freshsales account. Open your web browser and go to Freshsales, then enter your login information and access your dashboard. If you are already logged in, you can skip ahead, but make sure you are in the main workspace where you can see the left sidebar. This matters because the lead stage settings are found within the account controls, not inside individual records. Once you are signed in and your dashboard loads, look to the left side of the screen. You will see a settings option represented by a gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the settings area. Take a moment here to confirm you are clicking the correct gear in the left sidebar, since other parts of the interface may contain similar controls. The settings menu is where you will find customization options for modules. After you click the gear icon, you should now see the settings menu. From there, go to module customization. This section is specifically designed to let you adjust how Freshsales modules behave and what fields or stages they include. Module customization is important because lead stages are tied directly to the leads module, and the system needs to know how you want your process organized. Next, within module customization, select the leads module. This step ensures that you are editing the configuration for leads specifically, rather than changing settings for other parts of your CRM. When you choose the Leads module, the screen should update to show lead-related options. Keep your attention on the area where lead workflows and stages are managed. Now that you are viewing the Leads module, find and click the Lead Stages tab. This tab is where Freshsales lists the different stages that leads can go through, such as early interest, qualification, or any other step you use in your pipeline. Selecting the Lead Stages tab is the key step that takes you from general lead settings into the actual stage management area. Once you are on the Lead Stages tab, you should see existing stages, if any have already been set up. To create a new stage, click the plus Add Stage button. This action will open the interface for adding a new stage, where you can define what you want your team to see and use within your lead pipeline. Before you save anything, make sure you have the correct stage creation screen open so you do not add it in the wrong place. Finally, after you have added the stage details, click Save. The save action confirms your changes and ensures the new lead stage is actually stored in your Freshsales account. If the screen shows a confirmation or simply returns you to the lead stages list, that usually indicates the stage has been created successfully, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know. You have logged in, opened the right settings area, navigated to module customization, selected the Leads module, opened the Lead Stages tab, added a new stage, and saved your changes so your lead pipeline matches your process.